Good morning, first graders. Miss Kyler here with Number Corners. Now, I hope you had a fantastic Monday. We know that we are now in a new month, and you still have to use your fantastic predicting skills to let me know what will be on our card for today. Okay, first graders, let's go ahead and see, was your prediction correct? Did you predict that there would be a basket with leaves? Let's go ahead and take a closer look. So we see today that we have two leaves inside of the basket and we have three leaves outside of the basket. And we know we can make a math story to represent this picture. So we could say, Miss Kyler was taking a walk. She picked two leaves and put them in her basket, and she saw three more leaves on the ground. How many leaves did Miss Kyler see? Well, Miss Kyler has two in her basket, so I'm going to use my number tree here. And remember, Miss Kyler saw three more on the ground. These are my two parts. How many did I see all together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All together, I saw 5 leaves. And I'll go ahead and write an equation to represent my number tree. Equals 5. And then I also think I might start working on my fact families now, and that's just switching the numbers, order. There's my fact family addition equations. Now let's keep going, first graders, and we are going to say our date. So we know we always start with the day of the week. Today is Tuesday, October 6th, 2020. One more time, first graders. Tuesday, October 6th, 2020. Now, let's go ahead and say our days of the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. We know from our calendar that today is Tuesday. So if today is Tuesday, let's read it together. Yesterday was. Yesterday was Monday. Good job. Okay, let's go ahead and read the other side together. Tomorrow will be, if today is Tuesday, tomorrow will be Wednesday. Okay, let's keep going. Now, we know we're going to say our months of the year, and we have to stop at this month. So let's go. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October. And we now know that October is the 10th month of the year. So let's go ahead and write our date. We know that October is the 10th month. Today is the 6th day of October, and our year is 2020, but Miss Kyler doesn't write all 4 digits. I only write the last 2 digits, the 2 and the 0. Now I'm going to write the abbreviation for October. The day is the 6th of October. Now I'm going to write all 4 digits for the year, 2020. Okay. Now, my favorite, how many days have we been learning together? On yesterday, it made 20 whole days. It's just flying on by. So today is a brand new day, and that means we need to start in the very next column. We have 21 days of learning, first graders. 21. Now let's go over to see how we write the number 21 and how we spell the number 21. And we're going to make some equations to represent our grid. So here is the number 21. And here is the word 21. Oops, I had to go off the paper a little. Now let's make some equations that represents our grid. We know below the dotted line, bolded line, in the first column we had a group of 5. And then above the bolded line we had another group of 5. Now let's look at the other columns, the blues. Below the bolded line we had a group of 5. Above the bolded line we had a group of 5. And now in the third column, we have one lonely one. And we can count by 5s, all these 5s. So let's go. 5, 10, 15, 20. This is not a group of 1, so we have to, a group of 5, this is a 1, so we have to count on. So 21. And let's go ahead and write one more equation to represent our picture here. We have a group of 10. This whole column is 10. Plus, the blue column is a group of 10. And there's only one 1 over there. And we know 10, 20, count on, 21. So these are our two equations that represent our grid. Let's keep going. We're not done yet. Don't close the video. Now, first graders, you know that we have been collecting 2D shapes for this month. And I have my handy dandy spinner. And I'm going to see how many shapes I have to collect for today. Today it landed, I'm going to hold it, it landed on 4. So I'm going to collect 4 shapes. So we see our shapes that we had collected on Monday. Now today we're going to add to our graph here. So remember I had to pick 4 shapes. So I decided to go with another hexagon. Actually, I decided to go with 2 hexagons and a triangle. And let's go with another triangle. So here is our graph for today. We have 2 triangles, no trapezoids. We have 3 rhombuses and 3 hexagons. Okay, first graders, now you need to click to the next slide to go and complete your Class Kick assignment. I cannot wait to see your graphs and your work. Alrighty, bye-bye.